July 13th. It's 2 p.m. This is Becky Lewis in Central Indiana. Friends, we just got hit with a major storm earlier, and the wind's blowing so hard that it's already dried the streets. I didn't want to come out any sooner, but look at this. All these limbs just blew, just snapped off and came down. They were 70-mile-an-hour winds, and it was, thank God, not a tornado, but it definitely took it out. Look at how many of my walnuts have been taken out, and they're not close enough to ready to save. So what a shame. I use these black walnuts every year, but just look at this. It's all over the place. There was limbs down out in the street too, but those have already been pulled back. But you can still see a bunch of the debris down there. Our electricity was out for almost 2 hours. So thankfully, it was able to be turned back on, but it's sure an eye-opener, friends. I went out to the backyard and looked at the garden, excuse me, and a bunch of the corn is down. So hopefully I can get that put back up. And oh, these walnuts, oh my gosh. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Ouch. Stepping on sticks here, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Well, thankfully, I didn't lose a bunch of big limbs on this one too, and it's nice and loaded. But last year it was really loaded, and there were lots and lots of walnuts, but unfortunately, they were either empty or rotten. So I didn't get my black walnuts last year. Oh wow, that's a pretty good sized limb. Somewhere here, oh look at this, stabbed right down into the ground. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's really in there. Goodness. Huh. Wow. So, okay, well, I'm not going to make this a big, long thing. I could walk all the way around back and show you the garden, but I just want to get back in. We've got more stuff coming, but I just wanted to get out here and get a quick survey before more stuff came. But the second garden in the back that I just showed you on that other video, oh my gosh, it's flooded. And the main garden's not flooded, thank goodness. But oh, look at my echinacea. Dang it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and the bummer is it was already so tall that now it likely will not recover, won't straighten up. I might be able to straighten up some of them myself, but that's a lot of work, friends. These go all the way down, like I was showing you in that other video, but daggone it, what a shame. Oh, this is just, you know, but it could have been a lot worse. I'm very thankful that it wasn't worse. Very thankful. Oh my gosh. But what a bummer, because that's also food for the squirrels and other critters that eat them. Dang. So, okay, well, friends, I guess that's it. But I just wanted to get a quick survey of that and show you some of the damage. Central Indiana, woohoo. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye for now. Just a little addition to that previous video, which I'll likely put this on. But first of all, I just noticed this. Anyway, I'm hoping that it's coming in. I'm not sure if I'm pointing at the right place. Or he might have left. Anyway, there's a butterfly up there somewhere. Oh, there he is. Look at that. The butterflies and the bees are just right back at it. They don't care that we just had a storm. It's over. They're back at it. Look at that. They love this stuff, this echinacea. But anyway, I wanted you to see, look how it's all down. There's so much of it down. And also, I lost one of my sunflowers. I had a nice big sunflower up here that was a multi-head, and it just snapped off at the bottom. Snapped right off, and there's a whole bunch of stuff just down completely. That one's already pulled itself up. Isn't that something? It must have been down for a couple days or something from the last storm. Yeah, it had to be to get that much growth pointing upward, but this is new. And look, it's down through here too. So how cute though that the bees and the butterflies are just like right back at it. They so love this stuff, friends. Echinacea, coneflower. But I lost a few, and it could be a lot worse, but this is just going to be such a mess to deal with and clean up here. So anyway, okay, well that's it, because I'm just going to tack this onto the other video, and I don't want it to be too long. So thanks a lot. Oh yeah, before I go, I want to mention on yesterday's massive storm, it rained so hard that it plugged up our drain hole that goes down in front of our garage, and then all the water went up 8 inches to the front of the garage and filled up to 4 inches inside the garage. Oh my gosh, and just lost so much stuff, and haven't even really begun to go through it all. So anyway, that's it for now, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye for now. Uh-oh, that sounds like hail. Better go.